You're an ambitious man. What does this team need to get trophies next season?
Yeah, it's hard to say. I think I always feel like you're never too far away from, challenging at the top, but also you're never too far away from falling down the pecking order to 7th, 8th, 9th. So the Premier League is so strong now, and all the teams are getting stronger and stronger each year. So we have to find a way to be more competitive, to be more consistent. I spoke about a few weeks ago about finding the values a bit in the
Tottenham Hotspur's goal machine and the England national team striker here is Kane speaks on the current performance and the current, of course, situation of the Premier League on the side as Tottenham Hotspur's player. He used to say that this has been one among of the baddest season. It has been one among of the difficult season on their side as they have been passing through difficult time, and maybe due to the changes of the technical bench. In fact, Kane, he is just one among of the dangerous striker, one among of the greatest striker in the world. But unfortunately enough, he has not won any kind of trophy in his life of the football, but in fact, what should be quite clear that he wants to be the champion with Tottenham Hotspur Football Club, something which seemed to be very difficult. And if only there are so many people to whom they advise him about maybe leaving the club, but here says he has no plan to leave the club. He is just he had never planned about leaving the club, and he wants to win titles with Tottenham Hotspur Football Club, and he is sure 100% that one day Tottenham will just lift the Premier League under him. Of course, he used to say that he is just receiving, and he gets the positive and intensive cooperation from the Tottenham Hotspur Football Club, the technical bench, and as well as the fans. The fans of the Tottenham have always been supporting him, and Kane is just wanted by great clubs in the world, including Manchester United, in need of him. Of course, they have been searching the striker, and the Manchester United is just the previous season, Man United was just trying to, of course, find an opportunity to sign him, but as I lacked that opportunity, he decided to extend his contract, and this season is